In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save money while shopping on eBay using coupon codes. We all love a good deal, and by following these steps, you'll be able to maximize your savings and enjoy shopping even more. First, open your Chrome browser and navigate to a trusted coupon website. Some popular choices are Retail Me Not and Coupons.com, both known for listing a wide variety of discounts and promotions for numerous retailers, including eBay. These sites are safe to use and regularly updated with the latest codes, so you're always getting the most current deals available. Once you're on the website, direct your attention to the search bar. You'll want to enter eBay coupon codes. This will bring up a list of available discounts specifically for eBay shopping. Take a moment to browse through the list, paying special attention to those codes offering the highest discounts. Additionally, check the expiration dates to ensure the codes are still valid. The goal here is to find the one that gives you the most benefit and can be used right away. After selecting your desired coupon code, simply click on it to copy it. Most websites will copy the code to your clipboard automatically, but if they don't, just highlight the code and select copy. With your discount code stored, open eBay in a new tab. Browse the site as you normally would, selecting the items you wish to purchase and adding them to your cart. Sometimes, keeping an eye out for items already on sale can amplify the savings when combined with a coupon code. Now, it's time to check out. When you're viewing your cart or at the checkout stage, look for the box marked promo code or coupon code. This is where you'll paste the code you copied earlier. A simple paste action will do, and then hit the apply button. When the code is successfully applied, you should notice the total amount decrease, reflecting the discount associated with your coupon code. It's important to confirm that the discount was applied correctly before finalizing your purchase. Take a quick double check of the new total to verify you're getting the best possible deal. If everything looks good, you can proceed with your purchase, knowing you've saved money just by taking a few extra minutes. By using coupon codes wisely, not only can you enjoy the excitement of shopping online, but you also get the satisfaction of saving money. So next time you're about to hit that buy button on eBay, remember these steps to ensure you're always getting the best deal possible. Happy shopping, and may your finds be delightful and discounted.